Welcome to Learning English with Leanne. Help with writing. Adverbs of frequency. This is video number 1 using always, sometimes and never. We use these with the question how often. This is for elementary to pre-intermediate and certificate 1 English students. How often do you eat breakfast? We'll use this question and adverbs of frequency. So you can see our table with always. Always is 100%, so every day of the week. Sometimes 30 to 70%, so 3 or maybe 4 days a week. And never 0%. Sentences with adverbs of frequency. So first, our word order. You can see subject is number 1, the adverb number 2, our verb is number 3, and our object or complement is number 4. Follow this word order. We will use always, sometimes, and never. So our first sentence we'll write something with always. Subject is first. I always, the verb, eat breakfast, our object. You can see the adverb is before the verb. Next, sometimes. I sometimes cook dinner. Again, you can see our verb cook. The adverb is before. Sometimes cook. And then never. I never go to the gym. Our verb is go and our adverb is before. Never. Never go to the gym. Be verb with adverbs of frequency. Our order changes when we use the be verb. So you can see number 1 is our subject. Number 2 is the verb, the be verb. And number 3 is the adverb. 4 is our object. So when we use the be verb, it is before the adverb. We will use always, sometimes, and never. So our first sentence, I am always late. So you can see after the verb we have always. Am always. Sometimes, I am sometimes early. Never, I am never sick. So the word order has changed. With the be verb, it is first and then our adverb. We have 2 sentences using adverbs. One sentence has a mistake. Find the problem. I always have lunch with friends, or I go to work always. Sentence number 2 is wrong. Our adverb always is at the end of our sentence. Sentence number 1 is good. I always have lunch with friends. Our adverb is before the action to have. 2 more sentences for you. I am always hungry, or we never are late. Sentence number 2 is wrong. We have the be verb. Never is before the be verb. This is wrong. Number 1 is good. I am always hungry. Always is after the be verb. Now it's your turn. Make sentences with adverbs of frequency. Use always, sometimes, and never. Write answers for these questions. How often are you early? How often are you late? Busy? Tired? Your answers could be I am never late. I am sometimes busy. Some more questions for you to answer. How often do you play sport? Cook dinner? Get up before 6:30 a.m. Go to bed early. Some answers could be I never play sport. I always cook dinner. I sometimes get up before 6:30 a.m. Practice writing your answers with adverbs. Thanks for watching. Please like, share with your friends, and subscribe for more videos. To subscribe, press the button in the corner. Thank you.